Hi, so my social media platform is called Dagan.com. It is a cooking social media platform, and it is a one-stop all for cooking. You can post recipes, you can post a video of a recipe, and you can also make it more social where you are interacting about social or about cooking. You can ask questions, you can form relationships of where you are asking, you have similar interest about something. You can tag, you can tag someone saying, like, I recommend this recipe, or share just a recipe with a certain group and not to the world. You can share your picture of your result. You can pin a recipe. You can chat with people about something about food. I like this type of product. Use this pan, or don't do this with your butter. It doesn't work. Add a little bit more salt with this recipe. You can chat back and forth with people. Send private messages. Just make it more social. There'll be like a discussion board or question board. You can ask general questions, and you can do that in a specific group that you've created, or you can do it in general to everyone. Or you can send like a private message, like I said, like why won't my dough rise? Things like that. So it's kind of a blend of like YouTube, all recipes, Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook. You can like things where the more likes that it gets, the more people see it, and it'll stay on top. So the new recipes will go to the top that is seen, but the someone that has a very well liked recipe will go to the top, so people will be like, oh, that's really liked, I want to make that because everybody else likes it. The qualities that make it a good social platform is, like I said, you can tag people, be friends with other people, you can send messages, chat with them, send private message to the chef if they want that feature turned on. The discussion question board makes it very social. You can look at other people's pictures that they post about their recipes and their results. It's unique because of the ability to chat and tag a person. That question board, the sending messages and forming groups, and seeing what's trending, that specific social group of cooking. I think it is unique, and it's going to make money, because if any kind of food product is going to sponsor it. So you can do food, or you can do products of kitchen, like KitchenAid or Teflon, things like that. People are going to sponsor these videos, or you put ads on the website themselves.